Hey there, welcome back to the RichestSoft channel, your go-to place for all things development. If you're dreaming of creating an e-commerce app like Pinduoduo, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into steps to build a website and app just like this social commerce giant. Pinduoduo has revolutionized the e-commerce world, especially in China. This app is famous for its innovative group buy feature, where users team up to shop together and unlock crazy discounts. Imagine how powerful that is, bringing together social engagement and shopping, all in one app. So, let's explore how to create a platform like Pinduoduo. First things first, why are we talking about Pinduoduo? Well, the e-commerce industry is booming, and it's expected to hit $1.9 trillion this century. Apps like Pinduoduo are changing the game by offering unique features like free shipping, flash sales, low prices, and yes, those amazing group shopping deals. And don't forget, Pinduoduo's success isn't just because of its offers, but because it focuses on smaller cities and rural areas. That's a strategy that's paying off big time, and it's a huge reason why they've raised billions in funding. Now, if you're thinking about developing something like this, let's get into the steps. Step 1: Market research and planning strategy. Before you dive into the development process, research is key. Who are your target customers? What are their shopping habits? Who are your competitors? Pinduoduo did a fantastic job identifying their audience and offering what no one else was. Do the same. Decide whether you're going with B2B, B2C, or both. Get that strategy nailed down. Step 2: Hire a reputable development firm. Building an app like Pinduoduo isn't a solo mission. You need a great development team. Find a firm with a solid reputation and expertise in building e-commerce platforms. Discuss your features, design, and the platforms you want to launch on, whether it's Android, iOS, or both. Step 3: Incorporate user-centric features. It's all about the user experience. Think about adding features like user registration and login, product listings and details, shopping cart and payment gateway integration, order tracking and push notifications. And if you're looking for some advanced features, consider AI for personalized recommendations, AR for product visualization, or multi-language support. This is how you set yourself apart. Step 4: Design matters. The look and feel of your app are crucial. Hire experienced UX/UI designers to make sure your app is not only functional but also visually appealing. You want those customers to keep coming back, so make it sleek and user-friendly. Step 5: Testing and deployment. Once your app is ready, test it a lot. You'll need to ensure it performs well on different devices and browsers. Test every link, button, and interaction. After testing, it's time to go live. But remember, launch is just the beginning. Step 6: Maintenance and updates. Just like any great platform, you need to keep updating your app. Regular maintenance will ensure it stays fresh and performs at its best, saving you on future costs. Now, let's talk about the cost. Cost to build an app like Pinduoduo requires a significant investment, but it depends on whether you're developing a website, mobile app, or web app. Here's a quick breakdown. For a website, the cost could range between $25,000 and $150,000. For a mobile app, you're looking at an estimated cost between $30,000 and $250,000. For a web app, it could cost anywhere between $30,000 and $300,000. It all depends on the complexity, features, and whether you go for native or cross-platform apps. Here's the good news: RichestSoft is here to help. We specialize in building custom apps and websites that can give you the competitive edge. From social logins to AI-powered features, we've got you covered. If you want your own Pinduoduo-like platform, our team is ready to build it. And that's a wrap for today's guide on building a website and app like Pinduoduo. We hope this gave you some great insights into the steps involved, the costs, and the features to consider. So, are you ready to bring your e-commerce app idea to life? Get in touch with RichestSoft today, and let's build something amazing together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome development tips. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and keep growing with RichestSoft.